Good morning. It is the 27th of September and I'm going to work, so I wake up from 4 o'clock and I'm gonna make some dumpling. This is some nice caramel porridge I'm gonna make over here. I put vanilla in the water already, that's why I look like that. And over here now, got the yellow yam, got the banana, the caramel is there, and the good dirty girl. So let's get rolling. Get rolling right now. Need to get rolling so of this camera. So right now, need some corn. So the cornmeal, gonna mix it out. Put it in the bowl. Make some nice caramel porridge in the morning here. Okay. I have it in the bag because I don't want it to mess up. So the cornmeal now, gonna mix them out. Cold water. So use the cold water and mix it out. See, cornmeal, mix them out. So we mix it all like that, it's not lumpy, you know. So now, throw them in the pot. Porridge. Alright. Right, you know. Can't put a different one. Good old green banana. Green banana. What I do, I mark the green banana into it. Gotta remove this thing out of the way. Yeah, show you guys what's going on. Gotta wash up these dishes when I'm done. Alright, so banana, cut it into. That's green banana, right? You mark it in two like that. Alright. You cut it. I have a funeral to go today and I work. The funeral make the funeral. Because I have to go to work early in the morning. Gotta wake up and cook. I don't wake up and cook because I'm going to work. You understand? Nice green banana. One more. Cut out the two stem. Okay. Put them in the pot over here. Down towel. Okay, so right now I'm gonna peel a piece of yellow yam. Yeah, I will up the phone now. My granddaughter that's made the way. My granddaughter that moved the phone around for me, like rotate the phone, she's not here. So this calm with bird, yeah, just stir it up, you know. Calm with bird, you have to stir it up. Yeah, man. You have to stir them up, you know. You have to stir them up. Turn on the stove, stir them up. Come on. If you don't stir them up, you no problem. Just make sure say everything going as planned. You know? Yeah. So right now, I'm gonna peel the yam. As I put the spoon in this from the cabinet, you have to make sure that you have somewhere to put it, you know. You want to stir them up, you know. Take your time and cook. Nice piece of yellow, yeah. Yes, man. Popeye cook, man. Popeye always a cook, you know. I'm peeling off the skin of the yam. The yam are expensive, you know. Good old yellow yam. Wash it. So they are pretty in that pot. I don't play around with the cooking. Lot of process. I want the porridge cook. So right now, Gonna make the dumpling them. Yeah. Cooking take time, eh? What time is it now? I'm a good timing. It's 5:52 a.m. in Jamaica right now. It's 4:52. When I have things to do, I don't sleep into the bed. Cause the food them out the road where them sell at the restaurant, you find say the food not nice. And when you eat it, sometimes it hurt your belly. They not cook it good. They boil the chicken and then they throw the seasoning on it. You know, so I'm cooking. My wife is home today. So I make sure that she have good food to eat. When me gonna work, I know some my wife have lunch. She not hungry. Right. I say me buy nice cereal. Alright. So she can't eat anything she want, but me I make sure say when me gonna road, gonna work, my wife home, she okay. You understand? Yeah, man. Some man don't look on it that way. They must say, oh, your wife they home today. Because today are day of our weekend of this week. Oh, make she cook. This woman don't want her to cook. But want her to relax. Today want her to relax. Yeah. Alright. So my wife done the relax one. When our day off. Alright. That's done. Go back over here so now. You have to stir up the porridge, you know. Yeah, man, you have to stir him up. Good calm meat porridge, you have to stir him up. Keep stirring it. Yeah, man. A little bit too thick, so you know what I'm going to do with it? Throw some warm water in it. Yeah, man, I'm going to wash up them plate here now. Yeah. Popeye, I move fast, you know. Yeah, man, so throw some water in now. It's getting too thick, you know. You take him time and cook. See the time? 5:55. That is overseas time, foreign time, Canadian time. Yeah, man. I'm back to cover upon him. So right now, put them in a pot. Alright. Everything in there. Go and cook. So, wash up them dishes, you know. Cause I no cook with dirt. Alright. As me use them, I wash them. Yeah, man. As me use them, I wash them. So me say, no dirty dishes in that sink. As me use them, I wash them. So me say. So me say. That's what I say. With the pan track. So I'm not gonna work on clean up the car early this morning, but I want some cook and clean. Cook and clean same time. So that's the process. Yeah man. So Popeye do it, you know. So that's how it go. Big up on yourself. Have a great day. Alright?